we are recognizing 100 employees over 100 days, and today we are recognizing you. And I want to tell you why you were nominated. So your nominator, actually you have two very impressive nominations.
Oh, wow.
So one of your nominators says, Mrs. John's care for every student is tremendous. Not only does she teach academics, she teaches students to love learning. She can make anyone smile no matter how bad their day is going. She shows students that school and learning, it's something to love. She always tries to include fun games in class so students are excited to learn. She makes a very special effort to get to know individual student interests, what motivates them, and then incorporates that into their lessons. She even has a whoop whoop shout out for students who complete their work each week to encourage the students to stay engaged with virtual assignments. She makes sure that her students feel valued, cared for. Every student in Mrs. John's class knows their contribution to the class is an important one. Thank you so much for all that you do for the students highlighted here, but for your school and Henrico County Public Schools. We appreciate you. So yay!
Thank you so much!
Congratulations!